Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a product category in Odoo. Let's get started. First, go to odoo.com and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on the website option. This will lead you to your website where you will click on the e-commerce option from the navigation menu. Then click on products from the drop-down menu. In here, click on a product. Then in this new tab, click on the field next to the category option to open this drop-down menu. In here, you will click on the Select More option. This will open a pop-up where you will click on New down here to open another pop-up. In here, you will customize your new product category, like typing in the label, choosing the parent category, and more. Once you're done, just click on Save and Close down here. And that is how you can create a product category in Odoo. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.